Hey guys, Alan Bick here with Bick's Diesel and Performance, looking to do a little product review for you. Tonight we're going to go through the Diesel Autosync. This is a very cool little unit. I've been running one of my 2012 GMC for a couple years now. I can't say enough good things about it. I'm sitting in a customer's 2015 GMC. Just got done doing a ridge runner single tune, hanging an exhaust. So we're going to take the opportunity to borrow this customer's truck and check out the features the Autosync offers for the 15-16 model year trucks. We do stock these units. They are ready for ship or local pickup in the Utica area. If it's something you're interested in, hit me up. Watch the review, check out the features. Definitely hit up BT Diesel Works website, because I'm not even going to touch base on half the stuff that this little gadget does. It really does just an amazing amount of stuff for the price. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks. Once you've read the instructions and figured out where your switches need to be set based on what you're doing as far as TPMS and you know, the PIP switches and whatnot, key on engine running, hit the rear defrost button 4 times, and just like that, boom, your menu comes up. So this truck does not have any switch on the fly tuning, but we're going to go check that out anyway. So ECM tune switching, and boom, now your switch on the fly settings are touchscreen right there. Very, very cool if you ask me. Kind of makes me want to get rid of my Dinosaur 2012 just so I can switch on the fly with a touchscreen. But anyways, moving on. Strobe lights on. We'll go outside the truck and check those out in a minute. Strobe lights off. Work lights on. Work lights off. Powertrain data. Now this is pretty cool because this gives you some pretty good information. You know, boost PSI, exhaust gas temp, for, you know, if you're sitting in the truck and it's cold, or if you want to warm it up faster, or if you need to jump start something. You can turn it off, you can touch a button, turn it off, or tap the brake and it'll turn right off. Current DTCs. You can read and clear the DTCs. That in itself is pretty handy. Torque converter lockup controller. This particular unit is not fitted with it, but we have auto, manual. It's pretty cool. This is I actually had a lockup controller on my 12 and it works good. It's a little different on the 12, but it works good. We're gonna hit the next page again. Launch control. Again, very cool. Very, very cool. Good, you know, props to BT Diesel Work for coming up with some of this stuff even. Next page. Oh, transmission learn functions. You can actually reset the taps, which is, you know, again, cool if vehicle dynamics info. That's very cool as well. This is all the data that your traction control and StabiliTrak records and kind of uses to make corrections. It's actually really neat. On the last page, you know, very cool. Remote key fob learn autosync info. You know, this tells you the version and serial number and all basically the pertinent information for the unit itself. Daytime running lights. So this is cool. This is fog lights, fog with LED, disable with LED, stock. Very cool feature there as well. So we're actually gonna go back. We're gonna turn the strobe lights on, and we're gonna go do a walk around so you can kind of see what's going on with the strobe lights outside of the truck. Got everything strobing in the front. The strobe is honestly my favorite feature. A lot of you snowplow guys are gonna love the strobe. Works great, adds visibility. We're just gonna sneak around back here, and we're gonna see it from the back. Now we're gonna check out the work light feature. This is also slick. I've used this, I can't even tell you how many times on my own truck, unloading, you know, whatever from the back of the truck in the dark. So work light on, which what that does is it illuminates the upper third brake light as well as the reverse lights. And as you can see, no shortage of light to, you know, do whatever you got to do. Unload, load, find your way to the fire to drink a couple beers. Who knows, man? Another pretty cool feature here is actually when you fire the turn signal, turns your backup camera on momentarily as if you have manually turned it on. So that's kind of nice for, you know, collision avoidance and, you know, checking your blind spot.